Hello everyone, in this video guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide, a step-by-step tutorial on how to make use of this video editing tool called Wisecut. So guys, simply go on to wisecut.video. With Wisecut guys, you can automatically cut and edit your videos using this AI tool right here. As you can see, you can leverage your short videos to grow your audience. With Wisecut, you can easily turn your long-form talking content or talking videos into shorts right here, which consist of both subtitles, captions, and we also have background music alongside with it. So you can save time with auto cut silences right here. So guys, all you want to do is to simply just sign in right here or get started for free, and it's going to take you right onto this page. I've been able to edit lots of video guides here guys using this AI tool called the Wisecut right here. So guys, all you want to do is to go on to new project. I want to right here, you can create new project. Now there are two steps required for this right here. So the first step is to upload your file. Go on to add media. You can easily drag and drop your file right here, and the maximum upload size for a single file is 1 gig, and your maximum upload duration for a single video or audio is about 25 minutes right there. So guys, simply tap on click here to browse your file. So right here guys, I'm just going to paste in a file right here. So I'm just going to do this and open right here. As you can see, my file has been uploaded. So I'm just going to tap on upload one file, and this will be done right here. So I'm just going to wait for some few seconds for this file to be uploaded right here on this device. So let's simply wait for this to be done. So guys, it is done. So once this is done, you tap on to next, which is our step 2. So set up your project, give this a project name. I'm just going to make this right here as my project name. And once that is done, spoken language in the video, click on English right here. Now you want to simply just turn on the smooth cut, auto cut silences, smart background music, auto dock, auto pinch in and out, and tap on to create project. So right here guys, this is going to take a few minutes for your project to be done, and once it is ready, you get notified via email right there. So you want to simply wait some few minutes right there for you to see how this video So guys, you want to simply wait for some few minutes and see what Wisecut editing tool can do to your video. So right here guys, as you can see, our video is ready. So all I'm going to do is to tap on the video right here, and as you can see, 26 seconds of awkward silence has been removed, 2 jump cuts has been created, 63 lines of subtitles have been recreated, and music that perfectly fits your video has been added right here. Audio enhanced with professional editing techniques, and smart close-ups created with an auto pitch ins. So guys, all you want to do is to go on to edit projects right here, and guys, as you can see, awkward silence that has been removed right here guys. So this is the next scene. This is another scene of our videos right here. Awkward silence here have been removed right here guys. So that is it for your video. You can also go on to the translation, and you can translate your videos into different languages. We have German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese right here. So you can easily translate your video into any of these languages right here. You go into the music section, you can easily add some background music right here to your video. You go into settings, you can easily change your project name, add in some smart background music. You can simply just turn this off right here, and you can preview and export your video right here. So guys, this is the storyboard right here of our video. So guys, what you want to do next, go on to the preview and export. You scroll down right here and simply go on to export video, and this is going to take a few minutes for your video to be exported right here. And once that is done exporting, you're going to get notified via email that your video is ready. So let's simply wait and see how this video looks like at the end of the day. So right here guys, as you can see, our video is done exporting right here. So I'm just going to preview this and upload right. So guys, what I'm just going to do is to play this video, and you see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is it for our video. Now we are able to add subtitles to our video right here, and lots more right there. So guys, this is how you can actually edit your video using this AI video editing tool right here called CapCut. You want to simply just upload your videos right here, and Wisecut is going to do all that just for you right here to make your video look quite engaging right there. So guys, if you're looking for one of the best AI to edit your video guys, simply try out Wisecut, because with Wisecut you can automatically cut and edit your videos.